Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. We're back here at the carving yard getting ready to carve up a custom piece out of this log. This is, probably just about 5 feet tall. My wife's like 5'2" and she comes to the bottom of my chin, so this has got to be about 5 foot tall. All right, looking at about 20 inches across. Now, I haven't mapped anything out. I looked at this log, I could see a branch here. I know this will be a strong point. So what we're gonna do is carve a cub reaching over, and we'll have a beehive that's ripped open with honeycomb kind of dripping out. We'll have a tree trunk come down, and if everything works out, we'll have another cub sitting here eating that piece of honeycomb with honey, and then who knows, maybe we'll add bees later on. I don't know, we'll see how it works. I didn't draw it up. There's not gonna be any real reference pictures or anything like that, so you know, give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all, and stick around to see how it goes. So all right, enough chit chat, let's start making sawdust. All right guys, just taking a quick break, letting you guys see. This is an hour of progress right here. Yeah, it was 11:30 when I started, now it's like 12:33. Thought I would at least walk you guys around, kind of show you what's going on. So we're at the back of the carving, leg, smacking a bear on the butt. This log is going to be broken and ripped out looking. This is the back of a beehive. Tree trunk, okay? Tree, bear digging his nails in to the log, his body coming up and over the top of the tree, paw coming down, head, tree trunk, beehive. So now what I'm going to start doing is refining the cub a little bit more and refining this trunk down, because at the same time I'm trying to figure out what I want to do down here, right, with another cub. But what I'm kind of thinking is there's going to be another cub down here somehow, and this section right here is going to be carved in. It's going to look like beehive is ripped out, and this will be honey dripping, so it'll be all one piece. The goal is to be all one piece, don't have to add nothing. And so down here, this guy is, well, we'll have a base probably about here, and I don't know if he'll be kind of standing, half squatting, paw wrapped around, hopefully kind of looking up with somewhat of this missing chunk on his head with honey. stuff like that. That's the plan. So if you've made it this far, guys, give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think. When you guys hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all, make sure YouTube notifications are on. We are in the average zone of YouTube, of everybody that actually turns on YouTube notifications, hits the bell, hits all, does all that awesome stuff. So help me out. Let's keep growing. Want to hit 30,000 this year. Yeah. Trying to get this thing done. I'll keep you guys posted as well on time. So don't go anywhere. Let's keep going. Hey guys, just wanted to take a quick minute to talk to you guys about liquid biocell. This is some stuff made by a company called Modere. This is their sport formula. If you do a lot of physical labor, if you're running chainsaws, rolling logs, doing anything really physical, and you're getting up over that age of 25, you wake up in the morning, your joints are stiff, your muscles are sore, this right here, this is the stuff for you. I take this stuff twice a day. It's not bad. All you really need is a shot glass worth, and you're good to go. Now, if you guys want to see more about this Modere Sport Liquid Biocell, be sure to check out the link down below. And if you guys click and shop through that link, you get $10 off your first order. I really do recommend it for those of you who are just starting to carve, or maybe you've been carving. I'm telling you, this stuff is going to help you stay active, keep working, and not have those sore joints and muscles in the morning the next day. Check it out, guys. Hope you enjoy the video. right, guys, just finished up that double bear in a tree. Here it is. Let me know what you guys think. If you made it this far, be sure to give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe. When you guys hit subscribe, hit that bell and hit all. Make sure YouTube notifications are on. I'm trying to grow this channel, and I can't do it without you guys' help and support. This was fun. All one piece, didn't add nothing on. Look at that, we got voids, big gaps. Really, really fun to carve. Hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Have an awesome day, guys. I'll see you later.